Hello, Lei Ho, and welcome to Super.Speak.Juniors. In this topic, we'll be learning about fruit and vegetables. You will notice as we are going through the topic that some words are spoken in one way but written in another. For an explanation of why we do this, please see my other video titled Why Spoken Cantonese is Different to Written Chinese. The link is posted in the description below. Now let's begin. A measure word.
個
A measure word.
個
4 pineapples.
4個菠蘿
4 pineapples.
4個菠蘿
5 pineapples.
5個菠蘿
5 pineapples.
5個菠蘿
6 pineapples.
6個菠蘿
6 pineapples.
6個菠蘿
I like in spoken Cantonese.
我鍾意我鍾意
I like in written Chinese.
我喜歡我喜歡
I like bananas in spoken Cantonese.
我鍾意香蕉我鍾意香蕉
I like bananas in written Chinese.
我喜歡香蕉我喜歡香蕉
I like oranges in spoken Cantonese.
我鍾意橙我鍾意橙
I like oranges in written Chinese.
我喜歡橙我喜歡橙
I like broccoli in spoken Cantonese.
我鍾意西蘭花我鍾意西蘭花
I like broccoli in written Chinese.
我喜歡西蘭花我喜歡西蘭花
I don't like in spoken Cantonese.
我唔鍾意我唔鍾意
I don't like in written Chinese.
我不喜歡我不喜歡
I don't like lemon in spoken Cantonese.
我唔鍾意檸檬我唔鍾意檸檬
I don't like lemon in written Chinese.
我不喜歡檸檬我不喜歡檸檬
I don't like onions in spoken Cantonese.
我唔鍾意洋葱我唔鍾意洋葱
I don't like onions in written Chinese.
我不喜歡洋葱我不喜歡洋葱
Buy food.
買食物
Buy food.
買食物
Want.
要
Want.
要
I would like 2 apples.
我要2個蘋果。
I would like 2 apples.
我要2個蘋果。
I would like 8 bananas.
我要8條香蕉。
I would like 8 bananas.
我要8條香蕉。
I would like 5 oranges.
我要5個橙。
I would like 5 oranges.
我要5個橙。
I would like 3 cucumbers.
我要3條青瓜。
I would like 3 cucumbers.
我要3條青瓜。
I would like 1 broccoli.
我要1個西蘭花。
I would like 1 broccoli.
我要1個西蘭花。
I would like 4 carrots.
我要4個紅蘿蔔。
I would like 4 carrots.
我要4個紅蘿蔔。
How much is it in spoken Cantonese?
幾錢？幾錢？
How much is it in written Chinese?
多少錢？多少錢？
I.
我
Can.
可以
Can.
可以
1 bag.
一個袋
1 bag.
一個袋。
Can I have a bag, please?
我可以要一個袋嗎？
Can I have a bag, please?
我可以要一個袋嗎？
Anything else in spoken Cantonese?
仲要其他嗎？仲要其他嗎？
Anything else in written Chinese?
還要其他嗎？還要其他嗎？
Here is your change in spoken Cantonese.
找錢俾你，找錢俾你。
Here is your change in written Chinese.
找錢給你，找錢給你。
I have a lot of fruit in spoken Cantonese.
我有好多水果。我有好多水果。
I have a lot of fruit in written Chinese.
我有很多水果。我有很多水果。
Thank you for watching this video. For more learning resources, please go to our website www.Super.Speak.Juniors.com. Thank you. Bye.